Have you ever heard someone say patents are just for rich companies, not for me? Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And as you guessed, this is a myth. In fact, this is the heart of patents. This is why our founding fathers in the US Constitution, Article 1, Section 8, this is why the patent system was created, is to level the playing field, to allow individual inventors the right to exclude, yes, even big companies, from their innovations, from their discoveries, from their hard work. So the whole system is set up for you, the individual, the technical founder of what might become a future business. So don't get to thinking that it's just for rich companies. Yes, getting a patent that is worth protecting is expensive, both in time and in money. And done the right way, using a patent attorney, you can get a really broad protection that'll help serve as the cornerstone for your business. Let's take a few examples here. Okay, the founders, the inventors behind some of these products that became companies. For example, Nick Woodman. Nick Woodman invented the GoPro camera. It's a wrist mounted with rubber bands while he was surfing. Early patents on the camera and housing prevented big camera companies from coming and stealing those ideas. Those patents, of course, let him grow GoPro, right? As we know, snowboarding, action sports, and eventually was purchased by Sony. All right, Ring, the Ring camera, Jamie Siminoff. Jamie's invention, he brought it before Shark Tank, if you know the story, and he was rejected. None of the sharks wanted in, but as we know later on, that patented doorbell design got acquired by Amazon for over $1 billion with a B dollars. So congrats to Jamie. That could be your story too. He wasn't a company and then filed. He was an individual inventor, sought protection, and then was rewarded. So don't think that it's just for rich companies. It's for individuals that have the time, that can get and bootstrap the money to make it work and get it done the right way. All right, everybody, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.